US dollar index has been bullish this week, even though I have expected the price will drop in value after making a return and confirming this bearish breakout as a valid one. The price has returned back up and also even more, and then even more, forming this bearish candle right here at this great resistance, previously very strong support, but then the price did not return back down and the market has found enough strength to return back inside this range area. Now the price on the Friday has touched very close to the start of this supply zone, but then returned back down after the bulls who have pushed the price to this price level have exited their trades, and this has triggered a little small sell-off. Then let's see how this looks on the weekly. After the week has closed with this bearish breakout, we can see that the price has returned back up and confirmed this bearish breakout as a valid one. The price did not manage to return back inside above 106.11, which means that this weekly breakout to the below side, to the downside, has been confirmed. Then let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. A monthly time frame has 2+ weeks until this month ends, so anything can happen, but as it looks right now, currently the price is a bearish candle, but in the next 2 weeks the price could return back up and then close again with as a bullish candle. So the monthly time frame is very hard to predict where the price could go, but we can see what are very important levels for the price on the monthly time frame. On the upper side, very important level that the price needs to break is 106.64. So if the price goes above and closes the month above, it will continue to move to the upside. First level where the price needs to close is this one, 106.13. This is also very important. On the below side, for the price needs to break 105.51 on the monthly time frame in order to continue to reach this one, 104.97. We can round it to 105.00. So these are very important levels on the monthly time frame, and then now we need to go to the lower time frame to see how this looks. So very important level for the price on the weekly time frame is 106.09. We can see it here. And also above that is 106.60. These are very important levels also on the weekly time frame. Below that very important level is this one here, just a minute, is this one here. We can see in the past where the price had problems. It is 105.00, very close to 105.00, and if the price goes below that, this will mean that the price could reach this area here, which is, just a minute, very close to 104.60. So these are very important levels for the price. On the weekly time frame, if the price goes above 106.10, we can see that the price will continue and to touch 106.60. This is very important level for the weekly time frame. Because of this bearish breakout and currently validated as a valid one, I am expecting that the price will drop down, but I will see that on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, I am expecting the price will try and to move even more down because of this bearish breakout. On the daily time frame, this looks like this. We can see very important level for the price on the daily time frame is 106.11. So this is also based on the monthly, weekly, and also daily analysis. Or this price level is very important for the price. If the price goes above, the next one where the price needs to break is 106.60. You can see it here. The price needed to break to make a breakout to the upside in order to continue to move up. So it's very important. We will see what happens around this one. If the price touches this one here and goes down, this will mean that this daily time frame will go to this price level, which is 105.50. Now on the daily time frame, if I want to see the price moving down on the weekly time frame, which needs to validate this and continue this validated already bearish breakout, the price needs to continue to fall down below this one. So based on the weekly analysis, I am expecting that the price will drop down. Based on the daily analysis, the very important level that I need to see the price has broke below is 105.50. If the price goes down and then makes a breakout to the downside, I will expect and wait for the price to return here to this price level and then continue to fall down, which will be in line with the weekly analysis. But if the price goes even more up and stops here, I will wait on the daily time frame and see what happens, because this is a very important level on the 3 time frames: weekly, monthly, and also daily time frame. If the price goes above, and then the next level where I'm expecting and waiting, will the price make a breakout to the upside, is this one, 106.60 and 50. It is a range here. If the price makes a breakout to the upside, this will mean the price will try to make a breakout above 107.00. So it's very important to see what will the price make on the daily time frame, but currently I'm expecting there is a possibility that the price touches this area here around 106.10 and then bounce back down and then making a breakout to the below side. Currently the price is inside this range area, so I need to see where the price will make a breakout on the daily time frame, and then I will see is it in line with the weekly time frame, expecting to go down, or it will make a range area and to look to find a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Currently, as it looks, I'm still bearish on this one because of this weekly validated breakout to the downside, and then we'll see what happens. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.